Okay. So hi folks, it's Emwade out here, the CEO of Jenny Marketing Solution, So today I make this quick video, just to show you, how the AI Intelli Genius work, our software, So what we're gonna do now, is I'm gonna go into the I'm going to log inside the AI Intelli Genius. For your case, all you need to do is just go on AIintelligenius.com. Once you go there, you know what I'm saying, you sign up for your account. Mine, I'm gonna sign up right now, but right now we are into the dashboard, the dashboard of AI Intelli Genius. Okay, folks, so what we're gonna do, folks, what I want you to do, once you come here, once you sign up for your account, I want you to come here, I want you to come here, I want you to come here, to choose to choose your plan. Think about it, I want you to come here to choose your plan. By this way, you can do whatever you want to do with our AI Intelli Genius, So what we're gonna do now, folks, is I'm gonna show you what's inside, We got template, we got AI image, we got AI chat, we got speech to text, AI code, or document membership, account setting, something like that, account setting. So let me show you each tab, what's inside. By this way, you will know exactly, what's waiting for you, So this is my account, folks. This is my account. This is just a demo account, a demo account, that I use just to showcase you our latest, one of our latest product. Y'all know who I am. I'm the type of guys who come up every time with a solution, but right now we are into the era of AI, we are into the era of AI, mean I come up, with AI Intelli Genius, some like in French, I've had the intellectual genius. Understand what I'm saying, So what we're gonna do, folks, is I'm gonna show you what's inside the dashboard, what's waiting for you, so on and so on, So the word use, the image use, the speech to text use, So once you create your account, you choose your account, maybe your account will be similar to me, maybe it will be different, it depends on the package that you're gonna choose, So right now we got word to choose, image use, speech to text, some like 0 to 9 speech to text, image use, 2 from 450, and 3000, 552, word use, So right now what am I gonna do is I'm gonna show you the AI Intelli Genius, how it works, So folks, let me show you the template. Here you can see all the template, all the template that you are looking for, the prompt, the prompt that you are looking for. You will see it here, You can make some like a corrective data, if you were into the security system, you can solve your problem here, If you got some bugs or debugging a code, something like that, you can do it, You can do it. If you were a part of IT department, you can do it too, Data analysis, SAT department, human resource, website generating, general writing, article and blog, ecom, EMV, mathematics, arts and marketing tool, music, social media, order and order, So what we're gonna do, folks, is I'm gonna show you, everything that you need to know, before you come into AI Intelli Genius, So here this is the section of AI image, So it means all you need to do, folks, is just come here, just come here, into the AI image section, What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna generate some like an image, just to show you how the system works. Let me generate an image, pizza on on fire. Let's make a pizza truck on fire. Pizza truck on fire. Now the AI Intelli Genius gonna do what he gotta do, to generate some like image, So folks, you see the image that the AI Intelli Genius, generate is here, So let's try another one. Let's try another one. Which word we're gonna choose? Let's say skateboard on planet Mars. On planet Mars. Skateboard on planet Mars. Okay, the image is here, the image is here, skateboard on planet Mars, if you wanna play skateboard on planet Mars, so you're welcome, folks, So let's try another one, let's try another one. Let's try another one. Let's say, mm, let's say a cat sit down on the beach. Let's say a cat sit down on the beach. Generate. So it's not gonna take time to generate the image, it only takes some like a 10 to 15 seconds, something like that, The image is ready. Okay, you see the cat is here, the cat sit down on the beach is here. Okay, the cat is here, the cat sit down on the beach is here, So let's go into AI chat, AI chat. Okay, folks, all these chatbot are waiting for you, We got some like AI chatbot, the default one, We got ADA support, we got Emilia, for business automation, we got Clara, for shading and assistant, something like that, We got Einstein, some like a CRM assistant. We got Mitsuku, general assistant. We got Molly, replica. Robin, we got Rose, we got Sally, Sal assistant, we got Zoe, we got personal assistant, we got quiz sport, teaching sport, so on and so on, job interview, IT support, so on and so on, So folks, what we gonna do is, I'm gonna show you, how it work, how the system work. By this way, you know exactly what to do, once you are here, once you take action, to come into the AI Intelli Genius, create your account, and once you create your account, you can choose your package, the package that will fit exactly your need, So right now, what we're gonna do, let's play with the so before we play with all this chat, So let's play with the default board, the default board, So what am I gonna write is, what am I gonna do, is I'm gonna write some like a new one. So I have write a lot of stuff here, So let's go back, let's go back, let's go back, let's go back, let's go back. By this way, I'm gonna show you. Let's test another one, Let's say quiz support. Let's chat with the quiz support, So you see, teach yourself with a quiz, So what we're gonna do, folks, is we're gonna create like a quiz, a quiz, an answer, for a gamification, for a gamification. Let's say, create a quiz with answer for CEO. Create a quiz answer. Yeah, create a quiz answer for CEO owner. Create a list. Let's say create a list, create a list. Create a quiz game. Let's say create a quiz game, create a quiz game. Create a quiz game like a gamification. Like a gamification, with answer for CEO, for CEO owner. Let's say let's take a look at what we got. AI Intelli Genius are going to do what he gotta do, by this way he gonna show us exactly, what we need, exactly what we need. Okay, folks. It seems like, the AI Intelli Genius is ready, So he say, sure, here is sample quiz game that tests your knowledge as a CEO owner, So the question number one, what does ADO stand for? If you are a CEO, you need to understand what does ROI stand for, the return on investment, think about it, so it means the response is A, the response is A, some they gonna make some like a return on income, some gonna make return of interest. So let's say, return, let's say return on income, return on investment. So yeah, get the idea, folks. If you are a CEO, mean you need to get the answer. We already know that we know we need the ROI. Without the ROI, we can do nothing. Without the ROI, we can do nothing. Without the ROI, folks, you can do nothing. This is where the ROI coming. So it means you need to know exactly what ROI stand for, return on investment. It's not return on income, return of interest. You can give it, a signification if you want, but the proper term is return on investment. Which of the following is not a common pricing strategy? Cost plus pricing, penetration pricing, passive pricing. So folks, you get the idea, I make this quick video just to show you how our software work, AI Intelli Genius, you know what I'm saying. Some are using ChatGPT, but folks, we are not using ChatGPT. We was using ChatGPT back in the day. If I say back in the day, so I will say 2, 3, 4 months back. We will use it. We will use it. We will use a ChatGPT. But right now, we are using AI Intelli Genius, folks. This is a product that I was working on, you know what I'm saying? And the product is working well. You see the gamification that he just created, you see it, So let's say, if you want to, you can export it, in PDF, something like that. It only depends on you, So right now, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna show you another. It seems like my internet connection is not working now, So let me fix that. You see our Wi-Fi, social share booster. Okay. So like I say, I'm gonna show you export. So I'm gonna show you, how you can ask, AI Intelli Genius, how you can ask AI Intelli Genius, So the gamification is here, So it means all you need to do is just download it, into your computer, save it on your computer, So folks, we got a lot of we got a lot of future, you know. So let me write this. Let me write this. I'm not gonna write, you know. I'm gonna use, you know, the text to speech, you know. Can you write a simple game? Okay. So, you know, folks, you see, you know, if you want, you cannot write. You know what I'm saying? If you want, you can use some like talk to text. You know, so it means I'm gonna ask AI Intelli Genius, you know, some question. You know, he gonna answer me. You know, this future that you are seeing here, ChatGPT do not got it. He don't got it, you know. So this is the question that he generates. What is the capital of France? Paris, London, or Rome? You know, who painted the Mona Lisa? Pablo Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci, or Vincent van Gogh? You know, what is the largest planet in our solar system? Earth, Jupiter, or Saturn? You know, who write the play? Who write the play Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare, Oscar Wilde, or Jane Wonder? What is the chemical symbol for gold? So, folks, you get the idea, you know. You see the software is working well, you know. The software is working well. So let's go into into another let's go into another prompt, you know. Another prompt, you know, another AI chatbot. By this way, we got so many folks, you know, we got so many chatbots, you know. So it means it only waiting for you, you know, to come, you know, to come into the software. You know, once you go there, you come here, you know, like I used to say, you know, once you come there, all you need to do is just choose your package. You don't need all chatbot, you know. You only need a few, you know. But if you are an expert, or I don't know, some engineering, so you need to have some enterprise, you know. You know, if you got your own business, you know, a big business, you need to have to pick up the the package, you know, the enterprise package. By this way, you know, you can work with your team, you know, and help your customer, you know. Teaching support is here, you know. If you want to create some an AI support, all you need to do is just come here, you know. So by this way, let's go into teaching support. We're gonna ask AI Intelli Genius, you know, to create some EMV course, you know. So folks, by the way, you know, soon I'm gonna create some EMV course, you know. But before I create the EMV course, I need to get in touch with my lawyer, you know, to by this way, you know. So I need to get in touch with a financial lawyer, you know, because my personal lawyer, he don't know nothing about financial, you know. And me personally, I'm a blogger. Yeah, heard me say a lot, you know. I know the bank more than the banker, you know, and that's a fact too, you know. And by this way, into this to make it happen, you know. So I talk about the course. I need to get in touch with the financial lawyer, you know, an international lawyer who understand the financial game. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not a game. I don't want to beef with EMV. I don't want to beef with EMV. You know, I don't want to beef. I don't know, with Fed. You know, I don't want to beef with FBI. Something like that. You know, but I'm just here to make some course. You know, I'm just here to make some course. You know, I need to get in touch with my lawyer. Once I get in touch with my lawyer will tell me exactly what you need to do, what you can do, and what you cannot do. You know, and the course I'm gonna sell it for $1,000. You know, I'm gonna sell it for $1,000. So folks, what I'm saying right now, it make a lot of sense. You know, it make a lot of sense. You know, because into the EMV course, you know, on how to set the bad boy. So I will free a lot of folks, guys. I will free a lot of folks, you know. I see a lot of guys, you know, they was asking them questions. trying to divine in which I don't know which year they ask the question. They ask the question, in 2001, 2002, 2003, and some ask the question, in 2005, and until now they don't got answer to the question. They don't get answer, and me personally, I came here, to give them the solution, the solution that they will get the answer quickly, and set the bad boy and move on. So let's say, folks, remember, there is some feature that ChatGPT is not using, it's not having something like that, So I'm not gonna write, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna talk, I'm gonna talk, ask the AI Intelli Genius, and he gonna give me the answer that I need, So the question that I'm gonna ask to AI Intelli Genius is, create me an EMV course, on how to decode, TLV. Create me an EMV course on how to decode the TLV. So it seems like I don't got internet or what? Okay, I got internet. Oh, okay. So it's not good. So create an EMV course on how to decode the TLV. You see? Sometimes, it make mistakes. So let's say this. How to decode the TLV. Oh, let me click this. How to decode the TLV. Oh, how to cut. How to cut the TLV. So I'm gonna re-ask again. How to decode the TLV. Let's say it again. How to decode the TLV. Okay, this one is a good one. So let's say send, let's say send. If you are entering to decoding the TLV, tag length value. So folks, in the e-course that I'm talking about, we're going to talk about TLV, we're going to talk about tag, we're going to talk about a lot of stuff, I will show you a lot of stuff that you don't know into the EMV course, but it is just to show you how it works, that, that ChatGPT, that AI Intelli Genius, is here, to help you, to solve the problem quickly, Solving the problem must be quick. We are into the area, the AI section, so it means you need to be fast, you need to be fast, So the code is here, exactly the error, where the error is, all you need to do is just come on AI Intelli Genius, give it the code, give it the code, and he gonna give you the answer. Folks, think about it, What I'm saying, it make a lot of sense, So you see how to decode the TLV. If you are referring to decoding the TLV tag length value format, here are some steps to help you understand the TLV format. TLV is a format, identify the tag, determine the length, extract the value, repeat for multiple TLV, repeat for multiple TLV, TLV within a single data, so on and so on, So folks, into another video, I will make a simple video, just to show you how to decode the TLV with my own data. If I say my own data mean my own credit card. Think about it. What I'm saying, it make a lot of sense, But I'm gonna blank my information by this way you cannot see the information, to steal my money, It is just to show you, I'm gonna blank it. I'm gonna show you the video, and I'm gonna give you the arsenal that you need to think about it, I'm gonna give you the arsenal that you need to, So what we're gonna do right now, is we're gonna ask AI Intelli Genius to create an e-course on EMV. Create an e-course on EMV. Create an e-course on EMV. Okay, so let me write it. Create an e-course on EMV. So folks, what you're gonna do, is AI Intelli Genius is gonna create the course, the e-course that I'm talking to you right now, but I'm not gonna do like this, that like just like what you are seeing here right now, I'm gonna do it differently. I'm gonna do it differently. The course will be awesome. I love it, and I know for a fact you gotta love it. But remember, folks, you need to put $1,000. You need to put $1,000 on the table to think about $1,000,000. Think about it, And I don't know if you're gonna success or not. Just to be clear, just to be clear with everybody, But just to show you that if you need to know how to set the bad boy, you need to put $1,000. So mean you need to purchase the course that I'm talking about, But before it happen, I need to go talk with my lawyer, I need to find a financial lawyer, like I used to say, someone who know about financial. A lawyer will know exactly financial, By this way, I will got no problem, with cops and EMV too, because I don't wanna have trouble with them, something like that, So what we're gonna do, folks, the course is here, the course is here, The course overview is here. The title, Understanding EMV, a comprehensive e-course, The course overview is here, The course structure is here. Module 1, Introduction to EMV architecture, EMV transaction processing, So EMV security feature, EMV implantation and migration, So folks, AI Intelli Genius, can make it happen quick. It can make it happen quick, It can make it happen quick, folks. You need to understand that, What I'm saying, it makes a lot of sense, So let's test another one, Let's test another one. Let's test another one. Seems like my internet is not working right now. What's going on? Let me connect, Just bear with me, folks. I'm gonna show you exactly, how it works by this way, exactly, the way that you need to take, to solve the problem. Me, I'm just giving you the tool, the tool that you need to use, the tool that you need to use. Think about it, the tool that you need to use, where you will be success, to solve the problem. Think about it, Think about it, folks, So let me pick another one, Let me pick another one. Sally. So let's take Sally, So let's take Sally. Or let's take some like IT support. Let's take IT support. Let's take IT support. Prompt, Let's take the IT support issue, So folks, do not forget that each one, I got so many prompt library, We got so many prompt library here, Network connectivity issue, trouble accessing your email, slow system, software glitch, IT department, password forget, a specific error message, assistance with debugging, how to debug the code, performance optimization, complex algorithm, integration API, database queries, code refactoring, data structure implantation, compatibility issue, code optimization techniques, so on and so on, So folks, think about it, Think about it. What I show you right now, it make a lot of sense, And by this way, if you are IT guys, you know how to use VSL, 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 Video Studio Code, You got your Visual Studio Code ready, You take the code, you put it into AI Intelli Genius. AI Intelli Genius gonna fix the error and give it to you back and fix. You are ready to go. Think about it, Like I used to say that fixing the code must be quick, It must be quick, folks, So let's go into another one, AI image, AI chat. Let's say speech to text, speech to text. Folks, if you got a video, if you got a video that you want to translate, for example, in text, to transform your video in text, you can do it, So let's try one, It's gonna take time if we try one, because the video that I got on my computer, it's a 10 minutes video, So it means all you need to do, is just give a title, give a title to your video. Let's say give a title to your video, upload your media, your video. It can be some like a MP4, MPEG, wave, something like that, So all you need to do is just upload it. Once you upload it, you give it a description, and AI Intelli Genius gonna generate, the text of the video. Think about it, It may take some time due to the file size, Audio transcription may take some time due to file size, I don't have some like a 1 minute video on my computer, But if you got 1 minute video, all you need to do is just, go on AI Intelli Genius, create your account, choose your package, and come upload your video. AI text to speech, we got AI code, like I used to say, the code will be up here, So it means if you need to fix the code, all you need to do is just come here, fix the code quick, So folks, like I used to say, fixing the code must be quick, you don't have to waste your time. I give you that opportunity, you don't have to waste your time in fixing the code, So folks, this is all you will see, man. This is all you will see, into all you will have, into AI Intelli Genius, Remember that every document, the image that you're gonna generate, it's gonna be into your all document section, and the document that you're gonna save into your account. Everything will be into all document, Let me show you all document. The tab all document. Okay, the tab all document is here, Everything that you do, you save it, you will see it here, So it means after you can come back on it, do what you gotta do, So the membership is here. So folks, if you wanna make money with us, you know what I'm saying, you are welcome. We got an affiliate program, All you need to do is just go, create your account, get your link. By this way we can make money together, you know what I'm saying. And once you make money, so by this way we can withdraw your money to your account. Think about it, by this way we can withdraw your money, in 3 days you got your money, The membership, the membership section is here, folks. Like I used to say, all you need to do is just come into the membership section, choose your plan, Are you a enterprise plan? Are you a basic plan? Are you a business plan? So you name it, you got it. You name it, you got it. Like I say, folks, into this software, I offer a lot of features that ChatGPT are not offering. Think about it. What I'm saying is weird. ChatGPT is not generating image. But she generates image. But to generate the image, you need to go log into another SaaS. Think about it. And with AI Intelli Genius, you got everything inside. You don't have to leave the SaaS. Everything you got it inside. You wanna fix the code, you got it. You wanna make some like a speech to text, you can do it. Everything that you need. So folks, thank you a lot for watching this video. Thank you a lot for watching this video. A lot of video are coming, you know what I'm saying? A lot of video are coming, video calls, something like that, they are coming, and we're gonna use a lot of AI, like I used to say, folks, So by this way, a lot of folks need to understand what WEF said about the Bible. Think about it, Let me show you, folks, the video. By this way, you're gonna understand exactly, You're gonna understand exactly what you need to do. I give you the proper tool. So let's say what WEF said about the Bible. Okay, folks, hold on, folks. You need to watch, this video. What WEF just said about the Bible, from Quack Brother, Freedom File, You need to watch this video. If you watch this video, you will understand exactly, folks, It can happen. What they say, it can happen. It can happen. But it's not gonna happen like that. It's not gonna happen like that. So let's listen to the CEO of WEF, what he said about the Bible. We're gonna understand.
Ideas can even write a new Bible. We, throughout history, religions dreamt about having a Bible. And the future of religion. Just check this out. AI can create new ideas, can even write a new Bible. We, throughout history, religions dreamt about having a book written by a superhuman intelligence, by a non-human entity. Every religion claims our book, all the other books of the other religions, humans wrote them. But our book, no. It came from some superhuman intelligence. In a few years, there might be religions that are actually correct. That just think about a religion whose holy book is written by an AI. And just like that,
folks, think about what he say. Think about what he say, man. Think about what WEF said about the Bible. It can happen. It can happen. So folks, if you gotta do it, so all you need to do is just go come into AI Intelli Genius. By this way, you can rewrite it. You can rewrite it, but do not try to rewrite it. Do not try to rewrite the Bible because you don't got what it takes. We need to train you. If you gotta do it, so put me into your team. So folks, thank you a lot for watching this video. Thank you a lot for watching this video. Like I say, all you need to do is just go on AIintelligenius.com. Once you go there, you register for your account. You choose. You come into the membership plan. You choose your plan. Once you do that, you are ready to go. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you, folks.